Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. This is Akshay Sapkar and you're watching me on channel Believer. So in today's video, we are gonna deep dive into the part-time jobs availability in Germany. And if you're a student who look forward to earn some extra cash or maybe the flexible schedule to work here as a part-time then this video is specifically for you. So do not forget to watch this video till the end. So let us deep so the first thing first, let us understand what are the part-time jobs are available here in Germany. The most popular and hot job at this moment is the delivery option. Maybe it is a courier service, maybe it is a food delivery, or maybe it is a package deliveries. But these jobs are really trending nowadays because it is a summertime in Germany. So let us see what are the options and which companies are offering these jobs here in Germany. So if you stay in the bigger cities like Munich, Hamburg, Berlin, then I'm gonna give you the one website or maybe the one company which is really famous to provide the jobs here to the students. And they also have the various types of jobs opportunities or maybe the schedules available for the student. So first is going to be the mini job for the student, in which they provide the 8-hour shift. Second option they have is a working student, in which they provide the 12-hour shift. Third is the part-time job, which is going to be the 12 hours per week. And also they have one more option in the part-time job is for 24 hours per week. And the full-time job they also offer to the students during the summer breaks or maybe the gap, or if you have if it is taken by the student. They also provide the option to work for the 32 hours. It's nothing but the Fling company. So about the Fling company, it is really famous nowadays because they also provide the bicycle to you, in which they give you the package or maybe the food from one location to different location. You have to deliver that, and for that you get to explore the different cities, different areas in Germany. On top of that, you earn money like a 12-hour. So I think if you're a girl and who does not feel comfortable working in the warehouse, this is a best suitable option for you. The second option we have is a Lieferando. If you're a student who stays in a small town or not so in big cities, the Lieferando option is quite suitable for you because Lieferando is available in every city of the Germany. So if you are really looking forward to find some part-time jobs, Lieferando is the best choice for you if you are from small cities. So the third thing we have on the list is Flaschenpost. So Flaschenpost is again the delivery company, and they are currently hiring for the bike riders in the big cities. And according to my research, at this moment they are providing the minimum wage of 12.80 euros, and it can vary up to 13.70 euros. And if you are really a good driver and maybe try to deliver the more orders within the given period of time, there are also opportunities to earn up to 16 euros an hour as a bonus. So I think this is again the big and easy to grab opportunity for the students who would like to go for the driver's job here in Germany. And they have their hiring process is pretty simple. You just have to go on their website. You does not need to provide the resume or maybe your driving license. You just need to put your details. They will get back to you on maybe your phone or email, and that's how it's gonna proceed. It's really simple. So as far as I've seen, within 24 hours you get the confirmation from their end, and you start delivering on the very next day. So next we have on the list is Volt. Volt is again the food chain delivery company. So in this you will have to collect the goods from one location or maybe the restaurant and deliver it to the customer. As per as I have seen, or according to my research, at this moment they are providing the minimum wages to the new hires, so which is somewhere approximately 12 euros. But they have this plus point that they will provide you the refund for your data usage, and they also have the flexibility that if you have a bike here in Germany, or maybe it is a scooter or anything, with the valid driving license, you can use your bike and they will compensate you for that. So I think this is again one of the best choice here. So the next we have on the list is Uber Eats. Again, Uber Eats is one of the food chain industry here in Germany, and they are currently hiring for the Uber Eats riders. So they have mentioned on their platform that they are going to pay the minimum wages at this point for the riders, but they also have a different bonus structures available. So if you are a student who really enjoy the riding bicycle, and then this is a perfect job for you at this point, so that you can try to, I mean, you get to explore the different parts of the city. On top of that, you get some extra. So the next hot trending job we have on the list is Amazon Fulfillment Associate. So Amazon Fulfillment Associate has an option to work into different sort of ships, and again they also provide the contract based on your current status. So if you are studying at the university, you might get 20 hours per week contract, and if you are in your semester break, then you might get the 40 hours per week contract. But at this point they are paying highest across all the jobs. So what I have researched so far, so they are paying more or less 13 euros an hour, which is €1 extra from all the other companies which I have seen. And also they have a bonus structure, so if you are performing well enough, you will be qualified for that. And the most important thing which I liked about Amazon is they are providing you the Deutschland free ticket card. I mean, they are refunding you the €50 for your transportation. So I think this is again one of the good reason. If you're I mean, this is again one of the best reason to work for an Amazon. And since you will be employed with an Amazon, you will also get the 10% off on your all the purchases. So again, it is a win-win situation. So if you're a student and who really look forward to more earn some more extra, then this is the best suitable job for you. So this was the list I had for all the part-time jobs which are hot and trending and easy to get here in Germany. So let me do the simple math here, guys, for you. So if you're a student, and let's assume that even if you get a part-time job of 12 euros an hour, and here in Germany you are allowed to work for 120 full days, or maybe the 240 half days. So if I just do the simple math here and multiply the 12 euros with my working hours, then by the end of this year I will be making approximately 11,520 euros, more or less. And with the taxes, I believe it'll go down somewhere close to 10,000 euros. And that's all from my side in today's video. If you have liked this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys have any doubts or questions, please write me in the comment section so that I can get back to you on those topics. Until then, see ya.